Stanley and I'm from RC Tank Legion. Thank you for watching my channel. Remember to subscribe. Okay, so guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing video of the Heng Panzer III tank. So let's check out what's inside. Okay, as you can see, this is the 7.0 edition. So 7.0 comes with the new 7.0 radio. Should say 7.0. As usual, it comes with all the bits and pieces. Stupid USB charger. Heng IR receiver, really. And the let's see what's in the boxes. Whoops. Okay, this is really nice. This is a glass bottle of the smoke fluid with the teardropper, and not much accessories for the Panzer III. Heng Hans as usual. Oopsie date. Some oops. That's the tow cable, decals, and all the bits and bobs. All the little details. All the little details for the tank, the track holder, the fire extinguisher, the jack block, the jack, spare tracks, and so on and so forth. Oh, this is rare. I've almost never seen this before. This is the headphones for the commander. Oh, this is interesting. They actually put a instruction manual on the back of the battery cover on your remote. So it tells you what to do. Okay, we use this as a reference. Because it comes with a Heng battery. Okay, so let's see where the switch is located. Underneath here. Is it? Oh, okay. So the switch is underneath the tank over here. And if, as usual, when you turn on the tank, if the battery is connected, it will be flashing to let you know that the battery is connected, the switch is on, but the tank is not, the engine is not on yet. Okay, you need to turn on your radio, you hear this beep sound, and then you press the padlock key. And as you press it, you should turn on. And we've got a turbine-powered Panzer III. Okay, to change the sound, G and K as usual. Well, for this version 7.0, when you change the sound, the tank will turn off, so you have to turn it back on. Okay, so now it sounds like a Challenger 2 because the version 7.0 only has two sound sets. So it's a Challenger 2, and the second sound set, as you heard earlier, will be the M1 Abrams turbine engine. So let's hear it drive. One really good thing about the new version 6 and 7 is that the drive is so much refined now. You see, it is so nice to drive. It is so much refined. It's so you can drive it with really nice slow motions. Whereas previously, when you drive it, it's very awkward. It's very twitchy. You know, the finesse of the controls are not there. So that is one thing really good about the new version 6 and 7, sorry. And as you can hear, this is a modern turbo diesel engine sound. Let's hear it fire. Machine gun. Cannon. fire the cannon, as usual, you have to press this. Fire machine gun, press this one. Now that's the power machine gun. And if you can see in the camera, maybe that you can see the IR LED firing. Okay, so let's go through some of the actions. If you press G and you go left or right, will be the backward fine tuning. That will be for when you go reverse. Okay, G and the right stick will give you the forward fine turning. So you press, if you find that your tank is pulling to the left, for example, you press G and right stick to the right, and then you give it more trim to the right. G plus 1 gives you lights. Okay. Oh, real lights. So, okay, I just realized it. You see, I'm driving with the left stick now. Okay, now it's Tamiya mode, where you drive with the left stick and then steer with the right stick. I think that's why it means cane. Okay, now I can see the difference. Okay, so K with left stick to the left or right. Let's say I'm right for Heng mode. Heng mode is K to the right. So your driving is all on the right stick. Okay, and K to the left. This is your drive. Sorry, drive is on the left stick, but your steering is on the right stick. Turret up and down is here. And then your turret left and right is here. Okay, so this is for those guys who like the Tamiya style of driving, but Heng style driving guys will be really confused. I prefer the Heng style. So K2 for me. So K with stick 1 to the right for me. That's what I mean. So I like the single hand driving. Well, there's a lot of functions here, but the things I'm not going to waste your time by telling you all the details, because as I reviewed in my previous video with the Leopard 2, there's a lot of functions that says that's in this manual, and yes, it's true, it kind of works, because when you press the functions and then it has a sound like this, but when you work the sticks, it doesn't show any significant change or any difference, so I don't know what's all this sometimes.
Maybe you need to drive a vast field to see the difference.
Yeah, probably. Okay, let's go through the more important ones, I would say. Okay, so this volume up. Okay, so you press V. Previously, you press V, you will be able to change the volume, but not on the version 7. So you press V, up the volume, and then down the volume is like that. So this is really good. This is a good change. It's different than the previous one, where when you press, it will cycle from 1 to 6 and then back to 0. Whereas this one, if it's all the way up, it's all the way up. And then you want to go down, it goes all the way down, like so. So let's put it on. At least I know it's running. K plus B equals the super spin. What's B? Oh, this is B. K plus B. Oh, okay, this is interesting, guys. This one is interesting because you notice one. Let's say I'm turning to the right. Usually, one will go forward, one will go backwards, right? So this one side is locked. Let's go the other side. Let's press K and B again. Okay, you hear that? Oops. Okay, don't super spin so much.
That's what happens when you spin.
Yeah, even real wheels come off. So that's a good function. K and B. B is this one. Main gun mod. G and B. Ooh, G and B equals to instant fire without having to wait for the S-off. Okay, Wi-Fi power G and S, never mind. Drag brake level G and V. Okay, maybe the tank is too light. Can't tell the difference. There's supposed to be gyroscope, but never mind, there's no gyroscope. B and A is firing cannon, and then of course this is really good about the version 6. If any time you messed up your settings and then you want to go back to factory reset, there's a factory reset default setting, which is the padlock, G and K. So all three buttons at the same time, you restore back to factory default settings. This is really good. Actually, this is a really good idea to have, because sometimes you might misplace your instructions, where else you usually won't misplace it. So this is a really good idea. Some things from Heng is a good improvement. Some are not so good, like the brakes or the driving stick. Can't really tell the difference. Yeah, so this is the version 7.0 Panzer III. Okay, they're all, if anyone's asking, they're all airsoft and IR function together. Okay, so it shoots the airsoft, it shoots the IR signal as well. IR receiver goes on here. If anybody don't know where what you need to do, because it's magnetic, you just find where it is magnetic, so it's pretty much obvious it's here. And then for some people who don't know, Heng actually made this magnet to be removable by just a little bit of a twist. So if you don't know how to open it, just give it a little twist, okay? And of course this can be opened to put your figurine in. And let's see. So you put it like so. Alright, so alright. Okay, so to turn off the engine, press the padlock again. You'll have the shutdown sequence, and then as usual, you'll go back to flashing lights. And of course, for those guys who are new to RC tanks, whenever your tank runs out of battery, it will shut off. And if it has enough battery, it'll go to flashing lights. If not, it'll just not flash any lights at all. That's to tell you that the battery is dead or dying, so don't force your tank to run again. Okay, so please stop playing, charge your battery. If not, you'll damage your lithium-ion batteries that come with your tank. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing video of the Heng Panzer III tank. So you can get this from our web store, rctanklegion.com. And as always, please stay safe, wash your hands, wear masks when you go out. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. So of course it comes with the